Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing nachos. Okay, it is so delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe, so come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start we need to make our beef sauce because I'm making beef nachos. Okay, it's so good, so come along with me. You have some oil. I'm using Rapseed oil and I have some onions, chopped onions in it. I just want these onions to cook nicely, okay, to caramelize so that it tastes amazing. Guys, if you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes, so just join us and let's do this delicious recipe. So guys, as you can see, our beef is cooking nicely. I'm adding my taco spice. Okay, it's just like my tacos recipe, so you can make it or you can buy it from the shops. It's so easy. Yeah, this gives it a lovely taste, so that's why you add it to it. Okay, so allow it to cook nicely. And then the next bit, I'm adding some chopped tomatoes just to give it that sweet, lovely, moist texture. Okay, so that's why I'm adding the tomatoes. I don't want it to be really like soggy or a lot of water in it. It needs to be a little bit dry so that you can have it really nicely with your tortilla chips. Okay, so yeah, I covered it and it's cooked really nicely. As you can see, it's really not soggy but just dry but moist. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside, guys, and then we continue with our recipe. Just want to show you the texture. So this is how I love it to be. Lovely texture. This I want it. Right, so let's continue our recipe. We need to do guacamole. Okay, it goes with nachos very well. So I have some avocados and also I have some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions and parsley and some lime. Okay, so yeah, very easy recipe but healthy and it's so delicious. You can have it with anything. You can have it with bread as well. It's so good. So first of all, you crush the avocado. This is 2 large avocados. So add some lime juice. Okay, the lime juice gives it a lovely taste and also keeps the green color, helps the color. So if you don't put lime juice, the color will turn brown. So add my chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Okay, so guys, I'm adding some chilies. It's green chopped chilies, but this is optional. So the next bit to add is my chopped parsley. So this is very easy, as you can see. So guys, as easy as it is, our guacamole is done. It's so good, it tastes amazing. So I'll set this aside and then we are going to build our nachos. So guys, I have some tray with my tortilla chips. I have shorts on my channel to show you how I made this, so just have a look at it or I'll put it down below and you can check it out. Okay, so yeah, so I'm putting all my chips in there and I'm adding my beef. Okay, yeah, I'm telling you, it's so good, guys. So just come along with me and let's do this. So guys, as you can see, it looks beautiful. I'm adding some nacho cheese sauce. I've also have this recipe. I'll link it down below the description box. Guys, you have to try this. It's so good. My kids really love it. It's so delicious. You have to try this recipe, okay? As you can see, it's really easy to do, and it's so good. So guys, our nachos is done. It's so delicious. My kids really loved it. They enjoyed it for a movie night. Okay, it's so good. Try it and you're going to love it. I did add some chopped green chilies on top of it as well, as you can see, but it is purely optional. But try it. I tell you, you are going to love it. If you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much, and don't forget to share. May God richly bless you. Bye.